They've got an entrance elevator here.
She packs a bit of a punch.
It's just kind of in this little vestibule.
They added this so that way handicapped people wouldn't have to use the turnbull anymore.
Yeah.
Just one ride, okay?
Okay.
There's the desk right there. You know, it did that to me last time too. You'll be able to hear this thing, don't worry. Very exciting, I know. Takes longer to level.
Yeah, I know. I think we can take another ride on this.
No, there was a desk right there. I don't want to. Why don't we get out in the vestibule and send it up and see if we can hear it?
Okay. Yeah, the leveling on this thing is really not well set up. You know who made this?
No, I don't. Probably whoever modded the Saber.
Probably.
Whenever you're ready, princess. You'll be able to hear this, don't worry. You know what? I think it had that issue again. It went out. I guess it's not gonna go.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, that is it.